This weekend we are headed to Branson, Missouri to Table Rock Lake State Park. And yeah, that's our first trip, really long trip of the year with our camper.
Pretty much, yeah. We've had a busy year.
Very busy year. So I guess we'll just say come along for the ride, and we'll video some of our trip down and part of the park, and then we're going to go to a couple of shows and all that good stuff. So
works for me. I can't wait.
All right, we're on our way.
We're here, but we're waiting because some guy decided to stop and unhook his truck in the middle of the road rather than doing it up ahead of time, you know, like at the dump station or something, which would be common courtesy of camping people. However, we are not in too big of a hurry, but I am on my way to see Jesus, so I'm trying to be calm and compassionate, and Jesus will give me time to get there, I'm sure. There's my honey. He's out of the truck. He's not normally as patient as I am, and I'm not known for patience. But hey, he's looking pretty calm over there through those trees. Now I'm not sure what's going on. I think there's two campers going in the same campsite, so surely it's a buddy site. But they look very close together. I hope they're truly buddies, because it looks like you can open one door and step out of that camper and step right into the other camper. That would be close buddies. Here comes Kent. Yay! It is an absolutely beautiful day. Oh my goodness. I started seeing not a cloud in the sky, but there's a teeny tiny cloud over there. Just a wisp of a cloud. Straight back, and I think he's got it.
That is 173, ain't it?
Yeah, this one's 173.
I just want to make sure I'm in the right spot.
We checked a couple times. The electric box said 173, so I think we're good.
It says 171, so I don't mean.
Okay guys, we're at Branson, Missouri, and the main reason we came today was for what we're coming to tonight, and I'm going to let my wife tell you about where we're at.
We're at the Sight and Sound Theater, and the production right now through I think October 9th is Jesus. And we've had several friends say it was excellent. We were here probably 5-6 years ago and saw Moses and loved it. So I was all excited that we had a free weekend and we could come watch this.
So the nice guy I am, I brought her down here and
To see Jesus.
to see Jesus. I mean, you can't go wrong doing that, can you?
No, can't get much better.
All right.
Okay, we just got back from seeing Jesus at the Sight and Sound Theater, and it was amazing. I can't even decide which scenes were my favorite, but if anybody has a chance to come see it, they should do it. I really think that there's never been a bad production there, but I think no matter how many I see, I think this one's going to be one of my favorites. It was a great evening.
How much longer do they have it here?
October 9th is
This
the last
one?
Yeah, for this year.
Yeah. And what's coming up after that?
Next year, well, there's a Christmas one, and then next year they're having Queen Esther, and I'm already wanting to come to that one.
We didn't spend a lot of time at Table Rock State Park itself, but we're going to drive through it real quick and show you kind of what Campground 1 looks like. If we can get through. Looks like there's a camper up here. I don't know if they're leaving or not. I think so.
I think they are.
There's a lot of room between the sites. Some of them would be kind of tight getting into. There are a lot of trees.
We're coming up to my favorite camper of the weekend. It's this old pink one. Isn't that cool? And it's like the shades, it's like ombre. Oh my gosh, it's such a cool camper.
That's a matter of opinion.
It's a very old. I know.
It is kind of neat.
It is neat.
I do say. Going down to the other one too.
Okay. Minnesota.
All the sites we just went through are electric only, I believe. But you come over to this other side of Campground 1, and on the sign, it looks like sites 119 through 138 have electric and sewer, and the rest of them are electric only.
Should have gone that other way.
There might be this might be a mistake.
No,
huh?
I think you go around the circle, you'll be okay. He's trying to figure out what he wants to do. He evidently didn't do the route before hooking up like you and I did. It's a busy park this weekend.
All the sites with the yellow on the poles, I believe, are the electric only sites. And then I think if you come up around that, I think that last little loop is. I think it's coming this way now.
Yeah.
Backed up.
Smart thought.
I can go, I think.
I think you'll be fine. Look at that view.
The ones with the red on the poles, those are full hookup sites. So from the dump station this way and around the circle are all full hookup, it looks like. have a very big camper, this is a tight little circle. But you can do it because there's lots of big campers out here. Bathhouse. Show them the bathhouse up there. Is up there. Didn't go in them, but they look like they're pretty nice. Fairly modern looking.
Where'd that guy go?
He's going around the circle. Right back behind
Oh, okay.
us. Shouldn't be talking like that on our video.
I was worried about him.
Okay, we're going back out of that loop. We're just going to go back into the loop that we're in.
These bathhouses.
Bathhouses, and they look new. I mean, really nice.
Shower houses. I think there's laundry facility here too. I thought I saw
I think it's in that little building. Okay, coming back around the loop where we started.
Here's a couple. This is a family campsite. Three family campsites right here together.
Yep. 2 campers can get in there side by side.
They are close. I hope they like each other.
And there's our site, 173. It's a pretty nice site. You're pretty secluded right there. The lake is just right over the hill. So this is our site 173. They're all 50 amp. So pretty nice sites. Walk around the other side and show it to you. And I will show you something pretty cool behind this site. There's a little trail, not very long. It cuts through the woods here. And it meets up with the, I think this is the trail that goes around the edge of the lake here, where you can ride bikes and walk. Then down below it, which I'd have to walk a lot further down, is the lake. It's not a very pretty day. Actually kind of chilly. But it looks like it's pretty nice down here actually. There's one of them turtle rocks. A turtle rock. Now this is not too far from our campsite. There's the marina. And then this is part of Table Rock. Table Rock is huge. We hope you enjoyed our video on our trip to Branson to Table Rock Lake State Park. Like I said, we didn't spend a lot of time at the park. We went to some other places, which will be on videos upcoming. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, leave comments, and as always, have fun camping. We'll talk to you later. Bye.